Number 4. Milwaukee M18. If you're in the market for a top-notch random orbital sander for your remodeling projects, the Milwaukee M18 is the tool for you. With its cordless design and impressive power, it's the best option out there for DIY enthusiasts. One of the major pros of the Milwaukee M18 is its cordless design, allowing you to work without the hassle of cords getting in your way. The 18-volt battery provides ample power for almost any sanding job you throw at it, with a runtime of around 30 minutes on a 3 amp-hour battery. Variable speed control is another standout feature of this sander, giving you the flexibility to adjust the speed based on the task at hand. The 5-inch pads and range of 7,000 OPM to 12,000 OPM ensure smooth and efficient sanding every time. What you'll love most about the Milwaukee M18 is its comfortable grip and reduced vibrations, making long work sessions much more bearable. The adapter for shop vacuum attachment and dust collection box add to the convenience of this tool. While some users have complained about the dust collection box being a bit finicky, this minor issue can be easily overlooked given the overall performance of the sander. And with the price being slightly on the higher side, it's well worth the investment if you're already in the Milwaukee battery ecosystem. Overall, the Milwaukee M18 stands out as the best random orbital sander for your remodeling needs, offering power, convenience, and comfort in one package. Check it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your next project. Still searching for the perfect random orbital sander? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.